Welcome to Like Health. Are you looking for natural ways to manage your blood sugar levels? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we're diving into the world of diabetes-friendly vegetables. Stay tuned as we reveal the top 5 veggies that can help you lower your blood sugar levels naturally. Let's get started. 1. Spinach. This leafy green powerhouse is not only low in calories but also packed with nutrients that can help regulate blood sugar levels. Spinach is rich in magnesium, which has been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and glucose metabolism. Additionally, its high fiber content slows down the digestion of carbohydrates, preventing spikes in blood sugar levels. Whether you enjoy it raw in salads or cooked in your favorite dishes, adding spinach to your diet is a smart choice for diabetes management. 2. Broccoli. Broccoli, often called the superfood of vegetables, earns its reputation by being an excellent choice for those looking to regulate their blood sugar. This cruciferous vegetable is rich in sulforaphane, a compound known for its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Studies have shown that sulforaphane may help reduce insulin resistance and protect against diabetic complications. Broccoli is also high in fiber and contains a variety of vitamins and minerals, making it a valuable addition to any diabetes-friendly diet. Whether steamed, roasted, or enjoyed raw, incorporating broccoli into your meals can be a tasty way to support your blood sugar goals. 3. Carrots. These vibrant root vegetables are not only a feast for the eyes but also for your blood sugar management. Carrots are rich in beta-carotene, a powerful antioxidant that gives them their bright orange hue. Beta-carotene has been linked to improved insulin sensitivity and lower blood sugar levels. Additionally, carrots are a good source of fiber, which helps slow down the digestion of carbohydrates and prevents spikes in blood sugar. Whether eaten raw as a crunchy snack or cooked into soups and stews, incorporating carrots into your meals is a delicious way to support your blood sugar goals. 4. Avocados. These creamy delights aren't just delicious, they're also a fantastic choice for keeping your blood sugar levels in check. Avocados are packed with healthy fats, particularly monounsaturated fats, which have been shown to improve insulin sensitivity and lower the risk of type 2 diabetes. Additionally, avocados are low in carbohydrates and rich in fiber, which helps stabilize blood sugar levels and keeps you feeling full and satisfied. Whether mashed into guacamole or sliced onto salads and sandwiches, adding avocados to your diet is a tasty way to support your blood sugar management. 5. Kale. This leafy green is not only trendy but also a powerhouse when it comes to managing blood sugar levels. Kale is loaded with antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals, making it a nutrient-dense addition to any meal. It's particularly rich in vitamin K, which has been associated with improved insulin sensitivity. Plus, kale is low in calories and carbohydrates while being high in fiber, making it an excellent choice for keeping blood sugar levels stable. Whether enjoyed raw in salads or sautéed with garlic and olive oil, incorporating kale into your diet can provide a tasty and nutritious boost to your blood sugar management efforts. We welcome all new subscribers to the channel.
Thank you for watching. Subscribe to Like channel to receive all new news.